Yes, yes, yes. You don't know, say One Nation and I'm our nation. Welcome back to the channel. You see me? Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. You see me? Yeah, man. People ask me for review that I got music video. You see me? Him tune my name. Um, right name In a Million. You see me? Arjaylol. The song name In a Million. So apparently him dropped this for my boy there. Probably a diss track or something like that. You see me? I get it one listen step, but I'm never getting a deep listen for actually retain nothing in the song, you see me? But I go through it right now, coming in a long talking, you see me? So I gotta match it up right now. Arjaylol In a Million official music video, you see me? Let's go. Hold on, I'm gonna pause this real quick. First of all, the camera quality I look like I want phone it shot with, you see me? This look like it shot with a one Razor phone there. This look like it shot with one of them old school Razor flip phone there, you see me? 2021 now, my G, you see me? Get a camera, my brother. And the second thing, what make you walk like that, brother? You walk like an injured athlete, dog, you see me? Man walk like him about for drop. Look at the man and say the brown, you know him a fuck with, can't fuck with him heart, you see me? Brown, you know him a pirate, can't fuck with him heart. You know what him a talk about Tavi, you see me? So, Tavi Zoe. So apparently this is a song for clear the ear. Cause people have the dog a road say my girl clown, you see me? Say, oh him the road a girl and I get no pussy, you see me? And then Chuck Star just come through and us fuck her, say, you see me? So look like the dog just put out a tune and spill out him heart. Cause look like him love my girl, you see me? Love is you see love is a serious blood clot thing that girl will fuck by you know. Anyway. I like that part that's still bad, bro. Go continue. Man say you get gunshot, brother. You see me? You see fuck pan cause fuck pan you get a kill. So watch you for girl you fuck, you see me? Man say you get gunshot youth. Bullet. Just because you got some woman pan my girl. You rough my general. Go continue. Alright, you see? This now it bad. I'm tell you why it bad. I'm tell you why this bad. This bad because in melody is bad too. Whosoever record that tune, them know where them are do. You see me? Them know exactly where them are do. The melodies and everything, them thing up, bro. You know, and it sound like an alkaline type vibe still. I'm not gonna lie, but that a go happen anytime you know. Say yo, you have like people that use auto tune and a sing. You see me? DJ and like a sing J type setting. It a go sound like alkaline. So you know, maybe alkaline I'm artists. We don't know. Me no know. I'm telling you, I don't personally know about them people. And I remember just go base off what we see on the internet. But it sounds like an alkaline vibe. Maybe he wasn't purposely going for alkaline vibe, or maybe, you know, I mean, he's inspired by alkaline to which by him just sound like alkaline. Isn't it? But go just continue. But the man say, yo, you're hype, you're frightened for the fame, you see me? And your loudmouth friend will get it just the same. You know, word have it in the street, say your attitude, you see me? They must say attitude, chat too much, they must say attitude sound like, you see me? Chat like girl and him voice squeaky and one bag of something and rare. I say him chat too much, you see me? So the dog say, oh, your loud mouth friend, you get it to you, see me? So it look like say we have a music beef going on here with them, man. You understand me? I say, the man them take it out of the comedy and carry it music. Those cars are pussy. But anyway, go continue. I them a look them even better than my puke. Yeah. One thing though, the dog talented, the dog. Him you know, if I him write this, him can write, you see me? Yeah, man. If I him write this, him can write. Everything up, the melodies, the man name a tweak, the auto tune, everything just sound right. It sound blend. The only thing I'm gonna like are the music video quality. You know, it look like a or come up phone quality. This don't look like no camera, brother. This look like phone type settings. You see me, G? But the tune bad still. We'll continue. Oh, that's why the dog walks. The dog need them knock up. You see me? I never know. You see me? I just say when him walk while ago, I see the dog need them a knock. You see me? That's why I'm walk so. No, styling thing. But just reveal to me say yo, cause I say yo in the beginning the dog I walk away. You see me? But go continue. Love the melody. I love the melody bad. You see me? So that was Arjaylol In a Million. Very good song. You know, composed well. You know, the vocals on point, rhythm bad, you know, the melody bad, But as I said, the only thing I like other music video quality, yeah, brother, you see me? Is for the tune this big, you need, brother, you need to take the, no, I'm not tell you to take it down. Shoot back another music video, brother, you see me? The shoot back another music video, one way hotter. Because that tune is bad, bro, you see me? So, you don't know, so we'll give it up for Arjaylol. Give it a thumbs up. Tune bad, brother, you see me? So, go on do, my brother. You see me? Yeah, man, go on do your thing, brother. When you get fucked pan, you know, your talent does magnify, bro, and you know what I mean? You get even better. That's a fuck pan work still. It motivates you. You see, if you don't make you, it take a break you, and it made you. So, you know what I mean? Do your thing, brother. Fuck pan at though. Up move. You don't know say One Nation and Imara Nation. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so we can grow the family. You see me? Up move.